Yep, that's coffee. Welcome to the drone room. Batteries are charging. Getting ready for another terribly hot day. We're still talking about capacitors. I hadn't put a capacitor on this system yet. This is my 4 to 6S rig. And we were talking yesterday about, ESCs and where to put a capacitor to keep noise down. Now let's look at some older. Here's an old ESC, and look at that sticking out of the end of it. What is that there? It's a capacitor. Now these old ESCs are big and giant and heavy, and technology has changed over the years, but there's an ESC right there. This is E-Flight, older E-Flight. And look at that, sticking out of it, 2 capacitors. And we got that also is designed to pull out noise. Okay? That's a Fairlight. They use these to make transformers out of these, but if you twist those wires and run them through there like that, it keeps your noise down. Here's another even bigger example. This is an 8S 50 amp, and look at that, big giant capacitors poking out of there. This is telling me that if you want to get rid of noise, I think we already knew. Again, there's their toroid. That is designed to keep noise out. I'm talking about a big Castle amp right here. ESC, I should say. This is 160. This is a 12S. And look what you got right there. Again, 2 big, giant 50-volt capacitors. 2 of them. Toroid wrapped with, that's noise. Boys and girls, we didn't stumble on anything. Just maybe need to rethink where I put my capacitors. Maybe they need to go right there on the board. Right on the board, and just have a capacitor on each corner. Slide that 6S on that baby. And say goodbye to all my video noise.